Hey fam, welcome back to another episode JK Outdoors. Here with little buddy. We are fishing. We're at the Rexburg City Ponds. Super windy today. As you can see, we parked right there. We're walking down to our fishing spot. I don't mind sharing where we're fishing at because I want you guys to come catch some fish. So join along and let's go get them. All right, we just got to our spot. I'll kind of show you the setup we got. We got a bobber, weight, little tiny hook. I think it's I forget what size, but about 18 inches a leader, 2 feet maybe. We're gonna toss out there with a little bit of worm and see what we bite. See what bites. We've been catching a lot of little perch out here, which is fun for him and he enjoys it, and I enjoy catching fish. So here we are, and let's throw one out there. All right, we're all set up, all rigged up. Like I said, 2 feet, I mean. We're gonna cast it out there and we're gonna let her sit. The water's come up about 18 inches since last time we've been here, so we might let it sink down a little farther, depending if we get a bite here. Some ate our worm. I think we're gonna have to go with quarter worms.
Dad.
Yes?
Dad, where's the worm?
Dad's putting on another worm. We just had a monster bite. You can see our bobbers like right there. Oh man. We've had a few bites. Nothing's taken it. The worm has slowly gotten smaller to make sure that they hook it in their mouth. Oh, we might be getting another one right now. Fish on, fish on. Reel it in, buddy.
No.
Reel it in. Look, what do we got? Oh, live action, folks. That is the smallest perch. But we got one. Yes, he was swimming away with it. I think the trick is small hook, small worm. So if you're watching this in the future, you can catch one too. We're gonna try to get one again. Let this little guy go to live another day. Was that fun to catch?
Yeah.
Yeah, we like catching fish, huh?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
I catch you.
Are you ready to catch another fish? No, not yet? We're gonna try to catch another one. Same spot. They usually perch usually are in little packs of, I don't even know what you call a herd of fish. Pack of fish. Let's get them.
Hi.
Hi. Do you like fishing?
It's a photo.
You see a pato over there?
Yeah.
Over on the shore, huh? How you feeling? What thing?
The cat. Oh.
Getting a bite, we're getting a bite. Pulled it right off his mouth. He might have taken our worm. That's pretty skinny. Watch, look at the birdie. Look at the pájaro. He sees one. There it goes. Never mind, never mind. Back in the prime spot. Gonna need to put on another worm. Okay, this is about all the worm you need. About your fingertip length or half a finger, and you want to string it on the hook in a way that it'll stay on there when you cast it, and then also it'll be able to hook the fish if you do get one. Oh, that was a good cast, Bubba. Good cast. We're gonna catch a fish. Another fish. Yeah, there's that. Just got a nice good bite. Oh, no. They're playing with it. There's definitely a little sweet spot. It's like 15, 20 feet offshore. They seem to be biting there.
I want to get it.
Okay, reel it in. Hurry. Come on, hurry. Okay, you reel it. I think we hooked him. We caught a fish. Come on, he's on there. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, biggest perch we've caught yet.
Let's go.
He got off 2 feet from shore. Well, as soon as you find that secret little spot, they're there. The one he was reeling in was probably the biggest perch we've caught out of here. It was good. Probably the size of my hand. But, where are you going now? That's not... We didn't catch this one on video, but that's a nice looking perch, huh? What is that? Is that a perch? Do you like it? It's cool.
Big.
It's a good sized one right there. Should we take it off and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Hey.
Bye-bye. There he goes. Bye-bye, fishy. To give you a little area again of where we're fishing at. Oh, there they are. It's biting right now. Right at the end of my pole. Oh, let's just chase it that way. Let's see. Right at the end of my pole. It's about 20 feet out there. They'll nibble it. And they'll take it under and we try to set the hook. Oh, there they go. Look, under and hook set. And we're reeling another one in, folks. Right there.
Dead.
Oh yeah. Another perch for the books. And look how, oh, he fell right off in front of the camera. Oops. This one's a lot smaller. Little guy back in the water. But look how small that piece of worm is. You see that on there? Smallest little thing. I guess they're loving that.
Dead.
Caught in the last 3 perch on that one. It's like a barely nothing.
Here comes.
All right, folks. That's kind of how you catch fish at the Rexburg City Ponds. All these little perch. So if you want to take your family out and like this little guy catching fish, huh?
No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, you do. Okay. Well, we'll catch you next time, next episode of JK Outdoors. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look